About this item: 1.44-inch LCD display. Nulaxy KM18 Bluetooth FM transmitter has a 1.44-inch screen for better displaying information like phone calls, FM channels, music, car battery voltage, etc. The ideal screen size to assist you in driving safe without disturbance. Flexible gooseneck and Bluetooth V5.0. The rotatable gooseneck of the Bluetooth car adapter can provide you with an adjustable viewing angle and optimal viewing comfort of LCD display screen. With the Bluetooth V5.0 technology, the Bluetooth car adapter can provide a more stable and faster connecting without intermittent disconnection. Noise cancellation and hi-fi sound quality. The KM18 Bluetooth adapter for car of Nulaxy noise cancellation technology dampens the road noise and gives you clear, crisp sound for hands-free calls. High-quality music streaming ensures crystal clear sound for listening music and hands-free calls. Hands-free calls and Google Assistant, all in one button for hands-free calls, answer/reject/hand-up/recall make you seamlessly switch between incoming calls and music. And this Bluetooth car adapter supports Siri/Google Assistant to make phone calls, send texts, or get driving directions. Enjoy complete voice control and safer driving with this Bluetooth transmitter. Wide compatibility. The KM18 FM transmitter Bluetooth for car is compatible with most devices on the market, such as iPad, iPhone, iPod, HTC, Galaxy, Sony, MP3 player, tablet, and Android smartphones. You can play your favorite songs